Hey guys, I'm Aurora. Welcome back to Forex Strategies Resources YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon on all so you will be notified every time you upload a video. If you have a personal request for an indicator strategy to help you trade, you can ask me in exchange for a donation to support our work. Contact me, I leave you my mail in the description below the video. Today, I will show you the Sniper Scalp MT4 version improved. That is a trading system for MT5, but this is a version for MT4, but improved. The original standard for MT5 is based on all indicators that recalculate. In this strategy, with MetaTrader 4, I use two indicators, one that recalculates the arrow, the other that does not repaint the filter. The main arrow is the one that recalculates but must always be confirmed by the filter that does not recalculate. In the following image, I will show you the setup of the strategy. Time frame 5 minutes or higher, currency pairs any, platform MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 indicators VJ Sniper version 4, Forex Supreme filter. Trading rules Sniper Scalp MT4 version improved by VJ Sniper version 4 by Arrow, Forex Supreme filter green bar. Sell VJ Sniper version 4 sell Arrow, Forex Supreme filter red bar. Exit position. Place an initial stop loss above below the previous high low. Exit before the opposite band or at the opposite arrow. Examples of trades. In the following video, I will show you the examples of trades. So, if you're enjoying the content of this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section below. I'll be glad to answer those comments as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us also on Instagram, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!